Sometimes you may want to zoom into content on your screen to read text more easily or to see details in an image. We are going to set up a way to easily zoom into the screen. Once you've unlocked your Android device, find the settings icon. It usually looks like a gear on a coloured background. If it's not on the first screen you see, you may need to swipe up to open your app drawer and scroll to find it. Once you've found it, tap to open. In the settings screen, scroll down until you find the accessibility option. It has a green picture with a white stick man on it. Find and tap the Vision Enhancements option. It has a purple background with a white magnifying glass on it. Now, let's look at how to use Magnification, which helps you zoom in on parts of the screen to make things easier to see. Scroll down and tap on Magnification or Magnification Gestures. The wording may vary slightly depending on your phone. You'll see a page with options for how to turn it on. Toggle on the switch that says Magnification Shortcut, and then tap on the words to select how you want to activate magnification on your phone. The most common ways are using a shortcut button, which is a little person or icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, or tapping the screen 3 times quickly. You also have the option of whether to zoom in on the full screen or using a magnification window. To set your preference, tap the back button. Now, tap Magnification Type. Here, you can decide between full screen, windowed zoom, or an option to change between each. If you choose this option, tap the blue circle in the bottom right of the zoomed in window to switch between full screen and windowed mode. I'm going to opt for full screen mode. Once you're all set up, here's how to use it. To zoom in, tap the shortcut or triple tap the screen, depending on which setting you chose. To move around while zoomed in, drag 2 fingers around the screen. You can pinch with 2 fingers to adjust the amount of magnification. To zoom out, use the same method you used to turn it on. Either triple tap or tap the shortcut again. If anything looks strange or gets stuck, just zoom out using the same method or go back to settings and turn magnification off. Hopefully, this makes your screen much easier to see and use.